sixth question. The sixth question says, write a program to find HCF of two numbers entered by the user. Let's see the solution for these two questions. So I have taken integer a and integer b input from the user. After that, I made a for loop which started from 2 and we can end it also till a and also till b. The answer will be always same. There will be no difference. So first of all, let me tell you what is HCF. HCF is highest common factor. Uh, a factor of a number is that number which completely divides that number. For example, the factor of 4 is 2 and 1. After that, the factor of 6 is the factors of 6 are 3, 2 and 1. So suppose we want to tell for 2 and 6. So the factors of 2 were wait, let me write. Factors of 2 were 2 into 1 and factors of 6 are 3, 2, 1. We can clearly see that 2 is common in both and it is the highest number which is common in both. Let's take the example of 12 and 18. So here the factors are 6, 3, 2, 1 and here 3, 6, 3, 2, 1. 4 is also a factor of 12, 18, 9. Okay, so let's see. Here we can see 1 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 6 is common, but the highest common is 6. So our answer will be 6. Let's see how this works. So int I is equal to 2 up till I is less than equal to a, I plus plus. If I divides a and b, then our condition will be true and we will print I. Let's try to run this. Say 8 and 10. See, it's giving me 2. 2 is the highest common factor for 8 and 10. Let's try for let's say 12 and 18. See, it is giving me 3 results, that is 2, 3 and 6, which is wrong as our output will be only 6. Let's see how to correct this. First I will initialize int HCF is equal to 1 because 1 is always the highest common factor of any two numbers. After that I will copy this, Control plus C. If I is greater than HCF is equal to I. Let's run this for the same numbers 12 and 18. See, we got the correct answer 6. I will tell you what was happening. Actually here this condition will get true when I got true when I was 2, 3 and 6 and it was printed all 3 of them. Now we added another condition where we initialized HCF with 1. When for 2 it will the I is 2 is greater than 1, then our HCF will be updated with 2. After that for 3 same thing will happen. and 6, as 6 is our highest, the same thing